before I actually said yes to medication, I wanted to make sure that I did everything that I could to prevent it from happening. So she said with diet and exercise, and that's exactly what I did to lose like 70 pounds the first time, you know. I really got serious and I lost weight. My numbers went down and I didn't have to go on medication. My doctor was pretty shocked. Like, it's not that she didn't expect it, like she didn't think I could do it, but in that amount of time that I lost weight, she was like surprised and shocked, and I didn't have to go on medication.
If you're a busy mom, busy dad, beginner, or somebody who keeps starting over, hear this clearly. She didn't win because life got easy. She won because she stopped guessing. There are 4 lessons I just want to make sure you track. So if you could grab a pen or something, screenshot this actually. She had a real question, not vanity. Health, family, future. 2, she stopped doing random workouts and followed a plan. 3, she stopped fearing strength training and learned what her body needed. And 4, she got structure with food, not perfection. Structure. Everything she figured out the hard way, we built into a system so you don't have to guess. The BASE method. Baseline, start where you are, don't try to do too much. Accountability, track what matters and stay connected so you don't disappear. Strength, build real capability you can repeat. Eat simple, reduce the nutrition chaos with simple food structure. The 7-day micro plan is the free first step of the BASE method. I highly recommend you get it. It was built with love and care for my loved ones, and I believe it will help you. It wasn't just build it to make money. This is build it to help people. If you're tired of starting over and you need a real life plan, comment real life, and I'll send you the 7-day micro plan. Save this if you're in your restart season. You are not starting over, you are returning.